everyone. Just wanted to show you what the weather was like this morning. I'm going to take a little walk down the drive, show you the lock. You can see there, there's a walk down the hill towards the lock. It's one of the projects for the coming years, get this drive tarmacked. That's the main road at the bottom there, through Aultbea. There's one road in and one road out. There's plenty of parking though at the side of the road. See the waves crashing there. There's lots of white horses out on the lock. You can see Loch Ewe there. And the Isle of Ewe. I'll take you right down to the lock side so you can see the waves crashing. There to the right, that's the village of Aultbea. And if you swing round to the left, you can see Aultbea Hotel. I'm having to do a voiceover because the wind is that loud you can't hear anything. So this is the first voiceover I've attempted. There's Aultbea Hotel there, the big white building, and that's the hill over into Polio. That's the Torridon Mountains. The sea's very choppy this morning, as you can see as I pan round, the waves coming in. And we'll swing round, that's our house up there, up the hill. Make our way back up the hill towards our house. You can see the grey building there, the grey wooden, that's our cabin. That's where we sell a lot of our homemade wooden pieces. And I trudge back up the hill. It is absolutely blowing a gale this morning, and it has been for the last few days. You see our house is a funny shaped house. All angles, and that's the cabin. Been busy all winter turning, and Maria's been making. And that's a good view when you drive up the drive. If you're coming to visit, that's what you're looking out for. Okay, thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.